Welcome to our video demonstration for Nissan's 360 parking camera. Very easy to use and one of the best that I've seen. If you pop the car into reverse firstly, up will pop an image. On the right hand side is a reversing camera and you'll see the guidelines highlighted in red, yellow and green. They are to show you what direction the car is currently headed in. And on the left hand side, the really impressive bird's eye view camera, which shows you, well, the 360 view, which is fantastic, as you can see. So if we were to turn the steering wheel, you'll see that the guidelines are moving, show us what direction the car would be headed in if we were to reverse in that direction. We'll leave the wheels straight. If I reverse back, the 360 camera is obviously great for parking, but as you can see, it's a really great way of being able to line up the car perfectly in parking spaces, just like that. But it goes one step beyond that. You've got the button to the left hand side that says camera. If we press that button, you have the bird's eye view on the left and a front parking camera on the right hand side. Give it a second push and you'll still have the front camera, but on the left hand side you'll have a view of the front passenger wheel. So for tight multi-stories with low bollards and things like that, it's fantastic.